guys. Redo, la 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 la. Sige na. Hi guys. Welcome back to Ysay. We're back on the road again, and we're going back to Abraham Lake to look for some bubbles in the ice. And we'll see you there.
Hello there. Hi, baby. You're going for a road trip? Yeah? Going on a trip. And welcome back to our channel. So we're heading to Crescent Falls for a short stop before heading to Abraham Lake. So yes, we'll see the freezing waterfalls here at Crescent Lake. So keep on watching. Baby is bundled up, so we are going and hike 300 meters to the waterfalls because this is the parking area here. And yes, keep watching. Hey yo! We're bundled up and we're gonna hike 200 meters going to the falls. So we just talked with the ranger and telling us the things that we should know. So yes, got our baby here, pack. Hey guys, so we have a nice weather. It's sunny and it's after 6 here at Nordeg. So we're gonna go on a hike, but we're still bundled up.
Crescent Falls is a series of 2 waterfalls located on the Bighorn River in the Bighorn River Canyon in west central Alberta, Canada. They were originally called the Bighorn Falls. After the river they are located on, the current name is reference to the crescent cliff over which they drop. The falls are located a few kilometers upstream of the river's confluence with the North Saskatchewan River. A 4.5 kilometer long gravel road leads north from David Thompson Highway between Abraham Lake and Nordeg to the falls. The Crescent Falls Provincial Recreation Area is immediately upriver from the falls. The waterfall is 2-tiered and has a height of 27 meters. Visitors are allowed at the waterfalls year-round. The rock ledges around the top of the falls are slippery and fatal drops have occurred. Additionally, people have died by being swept under the waterfall after swimming at the bottom of the falls. If you want to camp around the Crescent Falls, located to the northwest of Crescent Falls is an unserviced campground run by Westward Bound Campgrounds. It currently has 31 available sites to camp on and is open from May 1 to October 14. The site has access to water, however, due to potential contamination from pathogens in groundwater, the owners recommend that visitors bring their own drinking water. The time it takes to travel to Crescent Falls and back is about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Access to the area below the first waterfall of Crescent Falls has been restricted, mostly due to unsafe travel conditions and thin ice. How to get to Crescent Falls? If coming from Edmonton, Calgary, or Red Deer, you will pass through Rocky Mountain House and take Highway 11, the David Thompson Highway, directly to the turn to Crescent Falls Provincial Recreation Area. The road into the park isn't paved and has several sections of potholes. How long of a hike is Crescent Falls? It's just a 0.5 mile out and back trail near Nordeg, Alberta. Generally considered an easy route, it takes an average of 12 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for hiking, snowshoeing, and trail running, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of the day. The Crescent Falls hike is magnificent in winter when the falls are frozen. We recommend you park at the day use area parking lot in winter and walk down the road to the Crescent Falls overlooks and the Crescent Falls hike trailhead. The smaller road is steep and could be slippery in winter. The road to Crescent Falls and the day use parking area were plowed when we visited in the winter. You will definitely need ice cleats to get down the steep trail that leads to the base of the waterfalls, but it's worth the effort. If you prefer a longer hike, park at the Bighorn Gorge overlook and hike the trail northward along the top of the canyon to reach the base of the falls and the two overlooks at the top of the falls. The total distance is 2.5 kilometers one way. Be sure to take in the view of Crescent Waterfalls from the two lookout platforms. Then follow the trail along the top of the Bighorn River Canyon a short way. You will see a spot where a side trail takes a steep turn downwards. The steepest part of the trail has an anchored rope to aid in climbing up and down. Once you are at the bottom, keep walking and you'll reach the base of the waterfalls. It's a great spot for a picnic on a hot day. There are two parking lots. When you get to the day use area, there is a large upper parking lot with the bathroom facilities. There is a gravel road to the left side of the day use parking area that goes down to a second smaller parking area that is very close to the two lookouts closest to the waterfalls. This is the closest access for the Crescent Falls hike. Be sure to check out the overlook. The few minutes down the access road, you'll see a small parking area in front of a lookout point. Pull over and enjoy a fantastic view of the Bighorn Gorge and the Bighorn River Valley. How to get to Crescent Falls hike trailhead? The turnoff for Crescent Falls Provincial Recreation Area is 22 kilometers of Nordegg on Highway 11. The gravel access road is 6 kilometers long and a little rough in places. When you get to the end of it, you'll find a day-use area with pit toilets, a small campground, equestrian sites with hitching trails and rails. This is the trailhead area for the Crescent Falls hike. The entire recreation area is 262 hectares and includes the two waterfalls as well as the beautiful section of the Bighorn River Canyon. The Crescent Falls hike is a fun family adventure in all seasons. These two stunning waterfalls in Alberta's David Thompson Country are a fabulous reward for novice hikers who are looking for a little adventure. After experiencing it in both summer and winter, we can say for certain that it's special in every season. Just for a safety note, waterfalls are a beautiful thing, but nature needs to be respected. Stay on the trails and viewing platforms and keep children close to you. Do not go beyond the barriers as rocks near the falls can be slippery and it is easy to fall in. Do not attempt to swim near the falls. The water is cold and the current is strong. People have been pulled under with the current and drowned or died of hypothermia. Watch for unstable ice when you visit the falls in winter. I hope you enjoy and take care. I hope you enjoy watching my video and I hope you find it informative. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more adventures with me and my family. I hope you enjoy watching and I invite you to visit the Crescent Falls here in Alberta, Canada. Enjoy watching and keep safe, and I'll see you on our next adventure.